Well, I'm back from my ride. We did about 150 miles today. Great start to the season. We stuck really to mostly paved roads. They were pretty good, but it's still pretty chilly out here in Massachusetts. We were out in some higher elevations where the temperature was in the mid 40s, so kind of a cool day. Luckily I got my heated vest and my heated grips, kept me warm pretty much all day. Now I gotta take a look at the Tenere and see what's wrong with it. I thought it was originally a battery, but the bike is cranking over, just not starting, and I can smell gas. So never had that happen before where I took a bike out of hibernation and it just didn't start. So something to look at. Anyway, hope you guys have a great 2018 season. Hope you're out there riding soon. Talk to you next time. Bye.